I am done and ready to eat. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to Rintys Plate. I want to thank you very much for journeying with me again this far. I just pray that God may continue to bless all my subscribers, my viewer, and everyone that watch my channel. Today I'm going to prepare Lent soup. I'm going to cook soup, Lent soup. And you know this Lent, they're high in fibers. So I'm going to cook it. I'm not going to cook the whole pack. I'm just going to cook around 3/4. And what I'm going to put in my soup is, I'm going to use a large coconut. I'm going to use some flour. This is a cup of flour. I'm going to put some butter also. And over here is my seasoning. I have chicken flavor. And I have scallion, pepper, pimento seed, garlic, thyme, and some dry seasoning here, which contain garlic powder, onion powder, dash, and some black pepper. Over on this side here, I have a cocoa. Ooh. I have 2 chocha. I have carrot in my soup, a potato, sweet potato. And I have the other potato, Irish potato, and I have a turnip. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wash my lent. I also have my boiling water on the fire with a pinch of salt and some garlic. So stay tuned. Okay, it's at 3/4. Just leave. I'm going to wash. I'm going to put my coconut. I will just prepare everything and just put it on the water and wash everything one time, okay? Just cut them in cube. Okay, so my chocha, my carrot, my turnip, I'm gonna look, almost cook. So I'm gonna put these with it. I'm gonna add the coconut water to it, so I'm just gonna put a little more water in the pot. I don't want them to mash out, right? Have them like that. Okay. Oh. Okay. My lent is boiling, and I'm gonna add water. Guys, I have to change the pot because the peas was too much. What if I would do the whole bag, see it? Now I can add my food, because my peas looking good on the fire. Look, my dumpling, not much dumpling. I'm using the whole wheat flour. Okay, this dough looking so good. So good. Okay, I put my in the pot. My Irish potato, my cocoa. Okay, my spinners. I'm just preparing my season for the pot. Yeah. My scallion. I'm gonna rub out my scallion to put in my pot. And you do it like this. Yeah. You rub it out like this. Okay. Already washed already. And also my garlic. I'm still gonna put some more garlic in the pot. Don't afraid to put your garlic in your pot. It's very good. Okay? And I'm just gonna use a pinch of this. Not much, because I have one in the pot already. Yes. Also my season over here. And this, my pimento here. I'm gonna, yes, and I'm gonna spread it out here. You're gonna throw it with my dry season. Okay? This aside. Okay, this is my flavor. I don't like to put the nougat in like it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it out. I know this looking so good and it smells so nice. Look, I'm telling you, it smells so nice. So I'm going to do, I'm going to put my seasoning in my pot. My powder season. And also my chicken flavor. Spoonful of butter. I just keep my stove on low for it to take time to simmer down now. Look, Virgin, look at my pot. Looking so good, look. Smells so nice. All right, I give it time to cook. Nice. It's done and it's ready to eat. It smells good with the pepper, right? Okay guys, I am finished and my soup smells good and I know it tastes good because I taste it before I put it on the table. So here's my soup. Here's my soup. Looking good, right? Here's my soup. And I also have my pepper right here. Here's my soup. Let me have a taste. Wow. Very, very nice. I'm telling you, not because it's me cooking. It is very, very nice. Guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comments down below, and click that notification bell. That whenever time I do something, you are the first one who get it. Okay? May God bless you all and your family. Bye-bye.